Thursday, April 12th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. It's a frosty, cold Thursday morning out there. We've had temperatures in the low and mid-30s in many spots, even some upper 20s in a couple of spots too. Cold start to the day, and we're going to be looking at another fairly cool day. But a big warm-up is still on the way as we get into this weekend. Look at how expansive the frost and freeze-related products are this morning, though. All the way down into central parts of Mississippi, I should say central parts of Alabama and Georgia, northern Mississippi, much of the Carolinas, all the way up into Minnesota and Wisconsin, New York State too, included in either freeze warnings or frost advisories this morning. There's your temperature map. A lot of cold air spilled into the eastern parts of the country. And you notice soon as you step out the door this morning, it's chilly. In terms of precipitation, this band of showers here in the middle part of the country. And that will actually head more north than east, and so it still looks like we're talking Tuesday night and Wednesday before we see another chance of some showers and storms. Now, I threw this in there just because it's interesting. You have a pretty rare day 3 moderate risk out from the SPC. You don't get those terribly often, but that's day 3 with the moderate risk for parts of Oklahoma and Kansas with that next storm system. In the upper levels, here we go, still a northwest flow aloft in place today. Go out in time, though, notice how things change. This is early Monday morning, a big ridge over the southeastern part of the country that'll really crank the warmth in here over the weekend and early next week. And finally, that next system swings in here, but not until, again, in that Tuesday night and Wednesday time frame. A lot of sunshine today. It's going to be a beautiful looking day, just a little bit on the cool side. A lot of highs in the low and mid 60s across the foothills and the Piedmont. Tomorrow, after another cold start, probably not quite as cold as this morning, but still probably a lot of upper 30s and some mid 30s tomorrow morning. Could be some frost again, but a little bit milder. Mid and upper 60s, a few low 70s creeping in, and then all of us should be in the 70s for highs by Saturday with lots of sun. And then some low 80s become possible by Sunday afternoon. So that warming trend pretty pronounced. And we're looking at a scenario here on Monday where we're still probably talking some 80s for highs. Tuesday, clouds will probably be on the increase through the afternoon as that next system approaches. I'm going to leave the day forecast Tuesday dry for the time being, but by Tuesday night and Wednesday, this is actually Wednesday morning of the GFS, we have that chance of showers and a couple of thunderstorms. The European a little bit slower. Again, this is valid around daybreak Wednesday. The European about 6 hours slower or so with the rain chance, kind of focusing it on the daylight hours Wednesday next week. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.